Okay. We're gonna go all the way. I think it's close to me. I shall try. Okay?
Okay, here we are at McRitchie Reservoir. I think this is the Windsor Park portion, and we're about to start and embark on our journey to the treetop walk.
Oh, 他们就住这里，就是在这里的。
总共有10条里面，我们可以来这看一下。
Oh yeah, right there.
Right there. You see it now?
Yeah, don't see it now.
The big fish. Oh, there he is.
We are falling dunes. And there's no durian.
Well, there are.
I bet they're gonna fall on your head. Yeah. You're all bats.
They're bats.
Yeah, they're all part of the
Oh,
bat.
there are different kinds of squirrels. There's the slender squirrel. There's the plantain squirrel.
Hey, it's eating upside down.
Do you think it eats plantains, or does it look like a plantain?
What's a plantain look like?
It's like a banana.
Yeah, he looks like a plantain. See those things that are poking out? They look like people sliding.
Yeah.
And,
Like this.
and
It's like a slide. It goes wee.
yeah, and it looks like a water slide.
Alright, so we took a little loop around the forest. That was pretty cool actually. It's like walking in the rainforest, but it's not so hot. Anyway, we're gonna loop back right now. We came across the boardwalk, and now we're gonna take the dirt path back.
Look at this guy.
Face.
Where is it?
There. It's just made out of water. It's gonna squish the water out.
Yeah. Don't cut them off. Let them go.
Monkey.
Everyone has a baby.
Baby. Baby monkey.
They all have babies. Whee!
Whoa. Doesn't have any baby.
Yeah. It's jumping though. Woo! Woo!
Did you see articles?
Cool stuff. What do you see?
Dragonflies and big fishy and small fishies.
Although we didn't get to go on the treetop walk.
Yeah,
but
because it was closed.
I know, we'll come back again next time.
Sucker.
It was a pretty pleasant walk. I don't
We
think
will
it's too
show
far.
you next time.
Yeah.